Valerie Dawn here. This quick video demonstrates how to use a straight machine quilting ruler to stitch perfectly straight lines. We're going to use a Handy Quilter ruler. Creative Grids also offer excellent rulers. If you'd like to pick one up, you'll find links in the description below. I'm copying a pattern my sister did on a quilt she won a first prize on in the local quilt show. I start by bringing my thread up so that my bobbin thread doesn't get tangled in all the stitches on the back, which is a very unpleasant experience to have to untangle it. And I'll just put my needle in the down position so when I stop, it doesn't move around. It stays right where it needs to stay. And I am going to, this is about 1/4 of an inch. I can line this up to make sure it's straight. And I just keep an eye on this because stitch in the ditch, you go a little bit slower and make sure your needle stays on the low side of the inside, the ditch side of the seam. There. This is the ditch side on this side. I'm going to put my ruler over on the other side here. And I'm just stitching up to the next intersection right here. And then I'm going to go the other way. I can line this line up against that seam, and it's kind of right in between those 2/4 inch marks, but it helps me keep it straight. Continue straight down to the center. Now, bring my needle up, pull that across, and I'm going to join my stitch over here and do the same thing. I want to show you how to use this wonderful Snag needle. It has this great big loop, so to tie in the threads on the quilt, I just need to, I'll start with this one, I'll show you this one. I just need to stitch it through. Now I'll probably, I usually feel on the back to make sure I haven't gone through the back, but I'm quite sure I haven't. And you just take the threads, and it's so much easier than trying to thread a little tiny eye. Just pull it through that nice big loop and pull it through and snap. I will leave a link in the description below where you can buy these lovely needles. I have finished the top half of this row of stirs and log cabins, and I have, as you can see with the log cabin, I've done my 1/4 inch outline, and I've just done a nice block around these. And the next thing I need to do is a background design, which I haven't decided on yet. I'll have to think about that. I'm just going to do some simple stippling. Thank you so much for buying me coffees and sending me tips. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more great videos. Happy quilting!